All right, so for anybody who ain't never done banding before, or you ain't done it in a while, because you'll have to learn. U-line banding materials. You got all your common things. You got some good cutters. You got, this is for metal banding. It applies to plastic banding also. But U-line banding tool, you squeeze this together and it opens up the back tooth of that right there. So I'm gonna squeeze it like that. Put the one that's coming toward me underneath it. And then this piece right here has got a plus sign in it. So I'm gonna bend a little piece right here. I'm gonna go under this piece and up through this. This is where you go under, and then you come up through the plus. So under here, and then up through the plus right there. Now I can pull a little bit of slack on this side, and then I'll start cranking it in, and you'll see it start ratcheting. Make sure you don't have any fingers or toes or shirts in there as you tighten it. You get it tightened until it gets to a proper tightness for your load. Then you grab a metal strap right here where it doubles over. And sometimes if you have a problem where it's separated a little bit, just put something underneath it to keep these two pieces of band together where you're going to crimp it. You open up the crimp tool, put it in the center of the clip, crimp till it gets the bite. I'll slide this down a little bit. I can release the pressure off of my banding tool, pull that slack out. I'm gonna put my other clip right back on this side of it. All right, we got it double clip. That's secure and safe. We cut our pigtail here. Not a whole lot of slack out of one band. So that's how you do it. A little bit of sweat never hurt nobody, but don't bleed over it by any means. Peace out.